Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a nice morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are located. My name is Stephen Bowes. I'm a client partner for user acquisition on the EMEA team. It is a privilege for me to be the first speaker on the Tools for Humanity stage. I hope you find the rest of the day informative and enjoyable. For this talk, I would like to zoom in on social impact mobile games and how you can run successful user acquisition campaigns for this type of mobile games using Unity ads. To begin, I'd like to define what we mean by a social impact game. Social impact games attempt to affect a user's perspective about a social issue. These games are created in a way that unlock the potential of gameplay to teach or inform about social issues and affect behavior change. Established mobile developers like Rovio and SpaceApe have incorporated social issues into their games. So taking, for example, Angry Birds 2 and Transformers Earth Wars, both games incorporate the realities of climate change into their game narrative to educate the gamer and hopefully affect behavior change. However, we don't always need to leave it up to the big guys to do this. At Unity, we believe the world is a better place with more creators in it. Democratizing creativity allows creators to build mobile games that strive to educate and change social behaviors for the better. Social impact mobile games can deal with a wide range of subject matters. So taking the three examples that I have on the screen, Birthplace, built by Studio Birthplace, this game gamifies conservation education and environmental protections. Everyday Racism, which is built by Altogether Now, challenges the user to consider the way they think about racism and to see life and their experiences through other people's eyes. Beyond Blue, which is built by Eli Media, gives gamers the opportunity to explore the mysteries of our ocean and the necessity to protect it. And this is done through the eyes of Mirai, a deep sea explorer and scientist. The challenges that we have and you have are when you've created a social impact mobile game, how you can increase the scale of the change that you aim to achieve. And today I will show you how this can be done through user acquisition with Unity ads. But before I get into that, I want to run through Unity's product offering and just touch base on what we can offer. So Unity is a comprehensive real-time 3D platform. We give anyone around the world the tools and technology to create and the solutions to operate so they can succeed in a real world. With Unity and with the Unity runtime engine being the connective tissue that brings the whole platform together. Anyone can use Unity to create using world-class tools and workflows. We provide solutions for brand new creators, like some of you in the audience, who are just getting started, as well as advanced developers. Our Create tools are responsible for some of the world's most popular games. I'm sure you recognize Among Us, Scribble Rider, and even King's Crash Bandicoot on the Run. We're proud to say that games made with Unity accounted for 71% of the top 1,000 mobile games in 2020. Now, once a real-time 3D experience is live, we provide value after the create experience, helping to operate it in the real world. The ability to create and then effectively operate a business is core to the value presented by Unity's complete end-to-end operating solutions. We provide a complete full-stack solution for development, engagement, and ongoing management. Users can enter the Unity ecosystem anywhere, and that's super important. And they can succeed depending on their unique business goals. Equally important, though, is that we don't lock users into a one-size-fits-all model or ecosystem. Any of our services that we offer are designed to be operated in a standalone fashion, either together or with your existing technologies and users currently, or what you're deploying. Effectively, we empower creators to deploy scalable backend systems to run their game, to scale it, and importantly, in times like these, to keep it running via world-class engineering teams. We help you engage with both game design and players through tools that enable responsive programming and shorter development cycles to really deliver what players want. We help users manage their game while providing deep behavioral insights to improve, evolve their game, and to nurture their players. And grow, which is important for this, for this topic, and to grow and acquire new users by using Unity Ads, which is the third largest mobile network behind Facebook and Google. We serve more than 23 billion ads per month. And then monetize. Whether it's in-app purchases or through serving ads, users can drive revenue while delivering a great player experience. So now I'm going to focus on how you can grow your social impact game. I'm just going to touch on the kind of scale of Unity Ads, which is quite impressive. As I previously mentioned, Unity Ads is the third largest ad network after Facebook and Google. 23 billion average monthly ad impressions are delivered worldwide by Unity Ads. 2.5 billion average number of devices reached per month globally, 165 million average daily users viewing ads globally, and 235 million average monthly installs of apps using Unity ads. So the scale really is huge. Now, I know this slide can be quite dense, so just bear with me. What you do as a social impact advertiser, what you need to do as a social impact game advertiser in order to grow your user base. So first, starting here on the left-hand side, you need to target and price your users. This entails tools to manage campaigns, both manual and automated targeting solutions, as well as reporting and insights to be able to take action and optimize your campaigns. After you target and price the users, you want them to convert. To do this, you need tools to manage your creatives, as well as the ability to showcase different formats. At Unity, we're constantly making optimizations to the ad units that we serve. And currently, we offer video plus end card, video plus playable end card or interactive end card, and standalone playables. The entire offering is machine learning and algorithm backed, and we're constantly working to improve our prediction models to find both users who are most likely to convert, as well as the specific value of users. And to augment our current offering, we have an initiative to find and access more users, which is kind of known as the notion of supply everywhere. In order to expand the reach of your current campaigns with Unity, we are tapping into additional inventory to leverage our algorithm and expertise on additional supply, ultimately to help you acquire the right users effectively. Now, our targeting capabilities to reach the right audience. You can target, your campaigns can target on a country level, a publisher allow list or block list. Publisher allow list is where where your ads will only be shown on specific apps, and a block list is where you will not be shown. On operating systems, so this is on such as iOS 14 or 14.5, device type. Now, currently this is only Apple, but we are soon will be releasing Android device targeting. Screen size, which is just for Android devices, screen density, and internet connection, which refers to cellular or Wi-Fi connections. Now, source bidding is a feature that allows you to granularly place bids on individual source levels. So this is bidding directly on mobile apps where your ad will show. This means that you can bid more competitively on the sources that you deem to be more profitable. But kind of more importantly here is the converse is also true. You can bid lower on the sources that you still wish to target, but might not deliver you the same high value users, basically making you be able to bid your campaigns in a more efficient and profitable way. Now, leveraging different campaign tactics depending on your goals. We offer a variety of campaigns that you can incorporate within your UA strategy for your social impact game. Scale campaigns are installs campaigns and help you build up your user base. Retention campaigns bid dynamically for users based on their predicted retention within your game, as related to your observed retention within that game. And then also ROAS campaigns. Now, ROAS means return on ad spend. These campaigns dynamically bid on users based on their predicted revenue within your game by day 7. Now, the retention and the ROAS campaigns fall under this product. So let's focus on the retention and ROAS campaigns, which are under the audience pinpointer solution. Our machine learning powered solution that helps you find the players that are most likely and have the value beyond the app install, which is based on the goals that you set within the dashboard. So what does audience pinpointer do? So in today's market, oftentimes advertisers blanket and spend across all users with the same bid. However, there may be an option for you to target or place bids across group of users, like similar audiences. But what Audience Pinpointer allows you to do is to target a specific user with a specific bid based on their predicted retention or revenue within your game. Now, with Audience Pinpointer, there are 2 models to choose from, as I said. You can acquire users based on the retention or in the ROAS. In a world of iOS 14, Audience Pinpointer campaigns will work slightly differently for iOS and Android devices. On Android, we will continue to use the session and purchase data, which is passed back to Unity through your attribution partner. However, on iOS, things have changed since iOS 14.5 was released. For users who do not share their IDFA, the Unity Ads SDK will be used to collect the contextual data that is anonymized and aggregated and sent back to Unity through our SDK to train on machine learning models. The data that required for the retention campaigns is 100 installs per geo over a 7-day period with a minimum retention rate of 1%. And for ROAS, we have a minimum data requirement of 10 independent depositors. So that's 10 independent users converting within your game per geo over a 7-day cohort. And that has to happen over 30 days. Now, I want to take a look at Panzerdog's Tactical, and this is a case study in which Tactical used our or Panzerdog used our user acquisition campaigns, the retention and browse campaigns. So Panzerdog's goal for Tactical was to monetize the game without annoying players and to run profitable user acquisition campaigns. I'm sure many of you here share the same goals for your social impact game. It is important to note that Tactical is a freemium game that includes both a mix of in-app purchases and which are integrated with Unity in-app purchases and rewarded ads. As a side note, in a Unity survey, we found that 71% of gamers preferred ads to in-app purchases and premium pricing, while 62% regularly viewed ads for rewards. And less than 10% of developers saw poor retention, while 86% saw in-app purchase stabilize or even improve once rewarded ads were integrated within the game. So therefore, it is important to include a monetization mix within your social impact mobile game so that players can essentially pay for that content in a way that suits them best. In this case, for Panzerdog, they used a combination of ads and in-app purchases to monetize Tactical. Now, once Tactical was launched with the Unity monetization exclusively, the team ran targeted installs campaigns to scale their user base. These were the scale campaigns that I mentioned before. Once the necessary data was collected, they began audience pinpointer ROAS campaigns. Now, as a result, their campaigns return on ad spend was, and I quote, exceeding expectations. Because we see here that the results were incredibly impressive. They had over 3 million downloads, 300,000 daily active users, and made over 1 million in revenue after a month of the Tactical global launch. They reached 70% ROAS within 1 month of users required with Unity and achieved a fill rate of 99% by using Unity ads. For your social impact game, if you're able to pass purchase and session events back to Unity through your MMP or when you integrate the Unity Ads SDK, you too can replicate Panzerdog's success. Now, another product offering of Unity Ads, which is useful for your social impact game, is Report Builder, which enables you to see performance across organization ID and dive into more specific details, either overview visualizations or through drag and drop chart functionality. Report Builder enables you to view different visualizations such as eCPM, CPI, CVR. It gives you the ability to drill down within specific fields such as top campaigns by volume decreases, top geos by stars, top creatives by stars, etc. And the drag and drop feature enables you to view different fields and to dive into your campaign data. You have the option to select various chart options such as line chart, table, grids, and more, as you can see from the little GIF here. It's going to go to area chart there. Now, a case study for advertiser who use Report Builder is this one here. So now let's look at the case study for game jams and rhythm games. So being successful in the hyper-casual games genre is no easy task, and it's even more challenging when managing a large portfolio of games. The lessons learned by the hyper-casual studio Game Jam can be transferred to your social impact game. So in the hyper-casual genre, competition from other studios is high and players can churn quite quickly. This means mastering quick development cycles and consistently delivering users who drive monetization are key to success. Game Jam trusted Unity to deliver a high volume of installs at a profitable CPI. At the time of this case study, of the 15 ad partners that GamJam worked with, Unity performed the best for the return on ad spend. Now, in the soft launch phase, Game Jam pinned down the lifetime value of their user, so they understood the targeted value of their user in a select number of geos by running small scale CPI campaigns. This is super important for your social impact game because it will allow you to ascertain what CPIs are profitable. Game Jam did this to great success. So when they were ready to launch, the team ran the CPI campaigns on Unity with large daily caps and CPIs below the LTV for each geo. This delivered them scale that they needed at a profitable CPI point. The team frequently updated the creatives, trying both videos and playable ads in the same campaign, and explored using different concepts and languages in countries such as Japan, China, and Taiwan, where localized creatives work best. This lesson is vital for your social impact mobile game. Understanding the LTV of your users is crucial in running profitable UA campaigns that ensure the continued success of the game. And I would urge you to follow the same route of Game Jam to ascertain the player LTV. Now, keeping track of the UA goals of multiple games across several target countries can be a lot to manage. So Report Builder enabled Game Jam to always be able to access and understand their UA performance. Game Jam use Report Builder to analyze the creative performance and analyze source performance. And I would urge you to give it a go. Now, I understand that is a lot of information to digest in a short period of time. So we put together a resource base where you can find how-to guides for everything that Unity has to offer. And I've linked them here, along with the two case studies that I discussed. My name is Stephen Bose, and I want to thank you so much for attending this talk on how to grow your social impact mobile game. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on LinkedIn. My link is there. My name is also Stephen Bose. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your Unity for Humanity Summit. Thank you.